here only because you were aiding others.
The original Watchers, too, were selfish. They wanted the knowledge for its own sake, not as a tool to be used. And that attitude triggered the virus.
Uh-oh, the beacon's getting ready to guide us someplace. But where?
Seems to me there's only one way to find out.
You know, I realized that in the hip hop, in the music game, you know what I'm saying, the reason why the energy shifted from New York to down south, you know, is an esoteric and a spiritual, you know, story. All of it is, but, you know, from the perspective of, you know, on the East Coast, you know what I'm saying, they got that God knowledge, that God awareness, you know what I'm saying? They're more aware of the mathematics, so to speak, you know what I'm saying? Talk about the mathematics, God, you know what I'm saying? The geometries, you know, all the deeper levels of the cosmology, astrology, all that different stuff. And with that awareness, you got that awareness, and then, you know, again, kind of getting too far into the ego with the rap game of like, oh, well, you know, people in the South stupid, or they slow, they don't get it, you know what I'm saying? And it's like, you know, well, yeah, they're not, you know, people in the South didn't grow up with that type of knowledge being consistently passed, obviously, you know what I'm saying? But with all of that, like, oh, you know, forget the South, this and that, while they in their prime. So you know, you got the God knowledge, you on point, but then now you want to start talking down on the South as if, you know, they not shit, like, oh, we supreme, you know what I'm saying, as if, you know. So it's like, all right, I'll show you. And then the karma, like, I'll show you so much stronger. Like, matter of fact, like, since you like all these big words and all this, like, you know, all that, I'm gonna make the top songs on the charts are gonna be songs that have the least amount of lyrical content, you know what I'm saying? It's gonna make these people, you know what I'm saying, prosperous, you know what I'm saying, on so many levels. And then you saw how the game kind of switched to like, all right, y'all, let's just kind of like the balance, healthy ego of like, we're gonna rep where we from, you know, of course, like, oh, you know, you rep from New York, you rep the East Coast, you rep the West Coast, you rep where, you know what I'm saying, whatever little area you're from on the little human ego perspective, because again, it goes beyond blocks on planet Earth. You know what I'm saying? But at the same time, you know, while we're here, we enjoy whatever little areas we're in while in the Matrix, you know what I'm saying? But you know, that's why the game switched, you know, and it was like more, you know, love, you know, on both levels, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, it's because of that, you know, and moral to the story, you know, when you have that awareness and that God power, you know, you accountable to, you know, hold, you know, have a certain level, or should I say you got to hold yourself accountable to know that, you know what I'm saying? Like, all right, I can't talk down. Not say you can't, you know, it's not healthy to talk down on these people who haven't been privy to this, you know, information or, you know, things of this nature, you know. It's like, oh, I'm at the top of the pyramid. Now I can look down and be like, oh, y'all ain't shit because y'all don't, you know what I'm saying? So, you know, it's just be aware, you know, be grateful, not humble in the space of like, you know, belittling yourself or, you know what I'm saying, being afraid to stand in your power, but just, you know, just humble, you know what I'm saying, to be grateful for your abilities and your strengths, powers, abilities, whatever it is, you know what I'm saying, because the energy could shift, especially if you taking it and then trying to, you know, talk down on somebody, you know what I'm saying, who you feel you're better than. So, but now I was a vibrator, just wanted to share that little tidbit. Peace.